Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sanford Khan. I'm an economic consultant and business author. The name of this short video is What is the number one rule? The number one rule in investing. It's very simple. The number one rule in investing for you and for everybody else is never, never play another man's game. Find your own game and play it well. No matter if that other person's game is a good game, and I don't know if it is, even if it is a good game for the sake of argument, if it isn't suitable for you, don't play it. I'll give you some examples. One of them is for me. I don't get into real estate outside of my unit that I own. That's it. I don't have investment property. For me, it's very, very important to have investments that are highly liquid, I could get in and out of in a keystroke. That's equity investments. And even if they don't go anywhere, they pay me money, dividends. And they all must have call options on them. So even if they don't go anywhere, they pay me dividends and I could sell call options on them and boost my income. It works for me. And for me, that's suitable. Obviously, it isn't suitable for other people, but you got to find your own game. Even if somebody tells you that real estate investment, income units are a good game to play, and there's a good investment you should get into as far as income property, let's say a fourplex in your city. Just an example, okay? But if you don't like dealing with tenants, evicting tenants, doing credit checks, having tenants call you up in the middle of the night saying, I got a plumbing leak, or the toilet doesn't work, or the garbage disposal doesn't work, and you don't want this aggravation, guess what? Maybe it's not suitable for you. But then you could say to me, well, I could have a management company. Well, if you get into fourplexes, 4 units or less, does it really pay to have a management company? Because how much are you going to have left over after you pay them their fee? So find what's suitable for you and play that game and play it well. Learn it and play it well. Be an expert in your own game. As always, ladies and gentlemen, I end my videos with this saying, given our economic and political environment that we're in and we're going to be staying in. Liquidity is king, not Elvis. I appreciate if you could pass this video on and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till we meet next time, may you prosper and grow. Thank you. Bye now.